Welcome from Easy English Practice. This is Aulad Hussain. Today we have a good class on English first paper 9 and 10. Class 9 and 10, the students who are viewing my class now, today our lesson topic I am telling you later. Before going to text, just you can see here a picture. Okay, can you say something about her? Okay, done. If you have seen the picture before, then you can say something. Either if your teacher uh, gave you, or if your teacher is giving you this type of slide, or if he asks in the classroom to you, my learners, have you seen the picture ever before? If you don't see, or if you have not seen it ever before, then you can easily say, sir, we have not seen the picture ever before. Or if you see the picture, then you can say yes. Okay, dear viewers, I will tell you about the picture later. First thing is that. Second, you can see another picture. Another picture is that here you see mentioned here former European club. So when we will go through the topic, when we will discuss the topic, when we will learn more about the topic, then you will see what is former European club, and why the picture has been depicted here for you actually. Okay, dear viewers, then you can see a certificate. The certificate provided from Dhaka University. There is a name here, you see, Pritilata Waddeda. You see, in March 2012, Calcutta University Portsmouth awarded Pritilata Waddeda her pending Bachelor of Arts degree with distinction for the year 1932 that the British administrative authorities had withheld from her. Okay, express photo by Neha Banka. Okay, dear viewers, this certificate is provided for a person, her name Pritilata Waddeda. Okay, we can go back to the first and second slide. So I think now easily you can say about the picture who is she, or you can say something about her. I think second picture also Pritilata Waddeda, former European club. There is a background of this club in this text. Another, this is the mark sheet of Pritilata Waddeda, Calcutta University provided. IndianExpress.com, a copy of Pritilata Waddeda's mark sheet for the year 1932, a detailed document that indicates that Waddeda was a student of Bethune College. Reproduced by university authorities in 2018 for archival purposes. Express photo. This is also express photo. This is the mark sheet of Pritilata Waddeda. You can know more about this great personality, but actually this is not from the text source. This page I have given you to know more about Pritilata Waddeda, but actually it's not have been taken from your textbook. Okay, so you can see again the slide. Pritilata had 5 other siblings. She studied in a school in Chittagong and was called a meritorious student. If we can explain, you can see here, Pritilata, she had another 5 other siblings. Siblings mean from same mother. how many sisters and brothers just you have got. Okay. She was inspired by the valiant freedom fighter Rani Lakshmibai of Just. After finishing her schooling, she took admission at Eden College in Dhaka. In her intermediate exams, she stood first in the Dhaka board. In her intermediate exams, she stood first in Dhaka board. So can you imagine how meritorious she was? After this, Pritilota went to Calcutta to pursue graduation in psychology at Bethune College. So, Pritilota, she was activist, she was a patriot, she was a dedicated fighter. She was a dedicated fighter. She sacrificed her life for the cause of the independence of motherland. Okay. So you have come to know more about from this slide, I think. Next page you can see here. After completing her education, she returned to her native Chittagong and took up a job as the headmistress of a local school. So she became first in the board of intermediate HHC examination, which is called. In June 1932, Pritilota met another revolutionary leader, Surya Sen, at Dholka. She was taken to join the revolutionaries and drive away the English from India. It was also her aim. So I think you have known much about Pritilota before going to the text. So before going to the text, if you can achieve or you can take some idea about this text, then you can learn the topic well. Okay, dear viewers, knowing about Pritilota, you can see also the slide about Pritilota. You will know more from here. You will know from this page about Pritilota. Knowing about Pritilota, Pritilota was actually a valiant fighter. She committed suicide for the cause of motherland. You will know from the text today. This is the text source today's lesson introduction. So lesson introduction is that English first paper unit 10 dreams. Lesson 3. Lesson 3 is especially the they had dreams. They had dreams 1. They had dreams also another 2 and 3. Okay. So I am going to the next slide for you as you can know more about Pritilota. You will be able to, this is the learning outcomes. You know what is learning outcomes. So after reading the passage or after reading the text, just you will know more about patriot, about a patriot. Realizing patriotism. So what is patriotism? Actually, who are patriot and what is patriotism? Patriots possess patriotism. A role of an activist. What is the role of an activist? Just you will know from this topic. Choosing answers from alternative questions. You can choose the answers which is correct. Just you will get the questions like as the question set of final examination of SSC, and for the 9 students of 9, if you can practice this question like this, it will be easier for you when you will attend the HHC examination. Then our another learning outcomes is writing open-ended question. Here you will get some open-ended questions also. So this is the text source, unit 10, lesson 3. It is from our textbook. You will get the textbook source here. Just I have given the total passage here. What is in unit 10 and lesson 3. Okay, dear viewers. This is the text slide for you. So I am going to the next slide for you. Here I have given you 7 multiple choice questions. You will have to choose the best answers from here. Choose the correct answer from the alternatives. You can see here. So what is the meaning of the word discrimination? I am giving you the answer sheet, but you can see the correct answer, which is the correct answer for you. You can see the second question, number B. Which of the following statements is true? Pritilota was an organizer of anti-British movement. Pritilota disguised herself as a man. Surya Sen was a required to attack the club. As an speciesist, Pritilota killed herself. As an escapist, Pritilota killed herself. Okay. Next, I am going to the next slide, and there are 2 questions here also. You will get 7 questions. First slide 2, second slide is another 2 questions. What do you understand by this line? Dogs and Indians not allowed. So in this text, you will get this line. In the club, in front of the club, the British people, they had written there, dogs and Indians not allowed that club. So they gave an example, the people of India, about dogs. So it's a shameful matter for them at that time. This is the third question, and this is the fourth question for you. Okay, I think you have captured the question number C and D. So you have got 4 questions in 2 slides. Okay, now another 2 questions I am giving you. There are another 2 questions, E and F. The same question, choose the best answer. So there are 6 questions here, 2, first slide, second slide 2, and third slide 2. There are 6 questions here. What did Pritilota prove? Regaining the gender discrimination. Women have the ability as the men. Women also can organize a movement. Women also have the ability to acquire knowledge. Women have the right to sacrifice their lives. Which of the following sentences is incorrect? There are 4 sentences, but 1 sentence is incorrect here. I think you have gone through the question, all the 4 answers here. Women needed to sacrifice life for freedom. Pritilota was an anti-British activist as well as a teacher. Surya Sen was not a teacher but an anti-British movement organizer. Pritilota compelled to commit suicide. 1 sentence is incorrect here. Another 3 sentences are correct, but 1 sentence is incorrect here. You have to pick, or you have to choose which sentence is incorrect here. Okay. Then, dear viewers, there is another question. This slide, just you will get 1 question here. What does the word rule in line 5 mean in the passage? Line 5. This cannot be line 5 or 6. Maybe some line problems here, because this is the text source as well as we have given you the slides. So slides can be indifferent here. So what does the word rule? This is the question for you, and answer sheet of choosing best answers. You see there are 7 answers of the 7. Choose the best question. I am giving you a chance to see the answers from here. Okay, dear viewers, you can see these are the A, inequality, B, Pritilota disguised herself as a man, C, the Indians are prohibited to enter, D, women can contribute to doing great job, E, women have the ability as the men, F, Pritilota was compelled to commit suicide. and last one is regain. Okay, so dear viewers, here is the homework for you. You know, you have to write 5 questions in the examination hall for both the students of class 9 and 10. Just you will get 5 questions. This is called open-ended question. So for open-ended question, you can get some questions like as WH question. Some can be yes no question and some can be descriptive question. So first you will have to guess the question, then you will give the answers following the text. So I think this questions is not or is not or are not difficult for us because we are getting text source here. So getting the text source, just we are answering the questions. So it is not difficult. I think this you have practiced these questions before. Now this is your homework. You will solve the answers of this question. I think then today actually our class is I am finishing my class here already. I have given you some text sources, and before starting our class actually we have known much about Pritilata. Then I have given you some text sources, some pictures, and last of all you have got the homework. So thank you all again. By the next class you will get some very good informations from here. Those who are the students of my institution and others, you can view this class or you can see this video in online verified page, Borishal Jilla School online verified Facebook page, as well as my YouTube channel, Aulad Hussain Riaz Easy English Practice, as well as you can see those were the teachers in teachers portal Shikhok Batayan, and another Borishal online school. You will get the class. So from different sources, if you are interested, you can attend the classes and you can gain some good idea from here. Okay, dear viewers and dear students and dear teachers, thank you very much. I am finishing here. Assalamu alaikum again.